Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create and send an invoice in QuickBooks Online so customers can pay you professionally. So you can actually follow what I'm showing on the screen right now, or you can also listen to what I say and listen carefully so that you will be able to follow the steps properly. So yeah, first you will have to sign in to your QuickBooks account, and then once you're in, you will just have to click New, then click Invoice, and then next you will choose the customer from the drop down or click the plus icon to add new and confirm billing address. And after that, you will add products or services from the items list or create a new line item. Set description, quantity, rate, and tax, and then set invoice date and due date. Add message or terms and attachments if needed. And finally, click Save and Send to email the invoice or save and close to send later. Track payment under sales and then under invoices. And under that, you will see invoices. And yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, another quick tip, customize invoice template under settings, and then you will see custom form styles to show your logo and preferred layout. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.